Hello and welcome to Northeast Community College Residence Life Room Selection. Today I'm going to take you through and show you how to select roommates and a room on our new system. If you watched our last video, you'll remember our test student, Susan Sample. That's who we're going to be working with today. So Susan's done everything that she needs to do to be added to a room selection. She's completed her application, paid her $25 fee, completed her contract, paid the $150 fee for that, and now she's been added to a room selection. And on her self-service page, we can see the room selection she's been added to. It's the new student room selection. You can see her start date and time here, and Susan is able to go in any time after this date and time to select a room. All we would need to do is click on that red button. But before we do that, Susan is going to add a roommate. So to add a roommate, we're going to click on these three bars. We're going to click on roommate and room selection. You're going to click select roommates. When we go to this page, you're going to make sure that that says fall of 2022 because that is the term that we are going to select housing in. She doesn't have any roommate requests or pending roommate requests. So we're going to search for a roommate. Susan doesn't know anyone in housing yet, so she's going to try to find someone who's similar to her. Susan is a morning person, so we're going to search and see if we can find any other morning people. And as you can see, one student came up, Miss Tina Test, and Tina thinks that cleaning is very important, which is awesome, and is also a morning person. And we can see here her major and her phone number if we would want to contact her. So Susan's going to hit request roommate. So that will send a request to Tina. Now, if we scroll up, you can see here that Tina Test has not requested Susan Sample. Both students have to request each other in order for them to be in a matched group. So once Tina goes in, she'll just need to click these three bars on Susan's name and accept the request. Now, Susan, in the meantime, can send Tina a poke to remind her. She can view her profile, or she can email her, and if she no longer wants to match with Tina, she can remove her. So now Susan's going to reach out to Tina. Tina is going to accept the request, and then they will be in a matched pair. So this is Tina's page, and as you can see, she's been added to that same room selection as Susan. And she's going to go in to the roommate room selection. And as you can see, she does have a pending roommate request from Susan Sample. She just clicks on those three little dots and clicks match. And now the roommate group is fully matched. So let's go back to Susan's page to pick our room. So back on Susan's page, if we go look at the roommate selection again, now you can see this is no longer that bright yellow, and it says your roommate group is fully matched. Susan still has the ability to view, email, or remove Tina. So now I'm going to show you how you can select your room. We're going to go back up to the three bars, hit the little X button, and go home. So now we can see again this room selection, and we're going to click on the big red button that says select a room or suite. As you can see here, it says you're eligible to select a room in the new student room selection process, and it tells you when it closes. Now, when you go to select a room, the process opens at 9 a.m. every morning and closes at 10 p.m. every night. This is just so we can give people times that are within a reasonable range. But for our testing purposes, I left it open till August. So as we can see, we have Susan, which just says you with Susan's student ID number, and then it has Tina Test with Tina's student ID number. And then we can select a room from list, and we can choose filters. So Susan and Tina want to live in path, and they want to live in a path single. So as we can see, when we hit search, all of these different rooms come up. and it gives us the rate per term, so this is per semester, and how many spots are still left. So let's say they want to live in path 111. When I click on that, it's going to bring up Susan in bed A and Tina in bed B. This just gives us what actual room the students will be in. So you're going to arrange yourself in whatever way you find that you want. And then the other 2 beds you're going to leave empty, and someone could come in here later and choose those 2 beds if they wanted. So, and as you can see here, it says, please make sure this is correct. You will not be able to change this by yourself. So if you need to change this after you've already selected, you'll have to reach out to our housing office. So these are the beds they want to be in, and we're going to hit submit room selection. So then we're done. It says, congratulations, your room selection process is complete. Your room assignment has been saved, and you and your roommates will receive a confirmation email shortly. And that's it. I'll get an email confirmation that'll say the room number that I chose. And if I forget, I can always go back home. And now it will tell me my fall assignment here with my roommate. And then if other people choose that room later on, their names will be listed here as well, so I can reach out to them. I hope this has been informative, and I hope you have a wonderful room selection. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to housing@northeast.edu or call us at this number here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.